Sustainable Development Goal SDG 6 aims to ensure availability and sustainable management of water and sanitation. At the heart of design thinking is its human-centered approach, focusing on deeply understanding and addressing user needs. I emphasize empathy by immersing myself in users' experiences to grasp their challenges. The iterative process is crucial, involving repeated cycles of prototyping and testing to refine ideas. Collaboration and diversity are also vital, as they bring various perspectives that fuel creativity. Generating a wide range of ideas and experimenting with prototypes are key to exploring effective solutions. My how might we question has evolved from how might we ensure access to clean water for deprived communities, to how might we empower indigenous communities to have safe drinking water. This shift highlights a commitment to not just providing resources but involving and empowering communities to create sustainable, culturally relevant solutions. The design thinking process for implementing ceramic water filters begins with empathizing with the specific water challenges faced by indigenous communities. We then define the problem by identifying barriers to accessing safe drinking water. During the ideation phase, diverse solutions are brainstormed, leading to the development of a ceramic water filter tailored to these needs. My time in Coron, Palawan, Philippines, allowed me to visit Malawig and Buena Vista, which informed this design thinking journey. A new prototype, incorporating indigenous ideas and materials, is awaiting testing with community members for feedback and further refinement. The proposed solution involves using a ceramic water filter to ensure access to safe drinking water. The filter features a porous ceramic with tiny micropores that capture and remove contaminants, including bacteria, protozoa, and suspended solids. It operates on a gravity-driven system. Water is poured into the filter and collects in a lower chamber, ready for use. It requires periodic cleaning but offers substantial benefits, including eliminating up to 99.9% of harmful bacteria and pathogens. Each filter lasts approximately 2 years with regular use, ensuring a sustained supply of clean water. Economically, it reduces the need for water boiling, saving families around $100 annually in fuel costs. Health-wise, studies show a 50–70% reduction in diarrhea cases among households using the filter, highlighting its significant impact on community health. The ceramic water filter also provides environmental and socio-economic benefits. By reducing reliance on firewood for boiling water, it helps decrease deforestation and CO2 emissions. With reliable access to clean water, families can allocate more time to education and economic activities, improving financial stability. Additionally, the filter alleviates the burden of water collection, saving several hours each week for women and children, which can be redirected toward educational or productive tasks, advancing community development. To implement and scale the use of ceramic water filters, the strategy starts with identifying target communities and engaging stakeholders within the next 7 days. A pilot program will follow, distributing filters and assessing their impact. Within 30 days, the pilot will be expanded, and efforts will focus on monitoring usage and securing funding for broader distribution. Over the next 90 days, the program will evaluate results, scale distribution, and strengthen partnerships while establishing a reliable supply chain. By the end of the first year, the goal is to reach a significant portion of the target population, integrate with health programs, and develop local production capabilities. In the second year, the focus will be on widespread adoption, integrating with national health initiatives, and assessing long-term impacts. Over 5 years, the aim is to ensure sustainability through local production and policy integration and replicate the model in new regions. Thank you for watching. Please share your questions and feedback on the effectiveness and implementation of ceramic water filters, their impact on health, environment, and daily life. Your insights are valuable for refining and advancing